So now let's take a look at O of 1. We'll explain this with a function. We're going to call this add items. We're going to pass it a number in, and all we're going to do is we're going to return in plus in. So with the previous big O's that we've seen, as n gets bigger, the number of operations increases. But in this case, the only operation is the addition. So if n is 1, you have one operation. If it's 1,000,000, you still have one operation. And that is O of 1. But what if you have two operations? Is that going to become O of 2? Well, as you may have guessed, even in this situation, we're going to call it O of 1. So O of 1 is also called constant time, meaning that as n increases, the number of operations is going to remain constant. So even if we have two additions like we do here, the number of operations will remain constant as n increases. So let's take a look at this on the graph. O of 1 is just that flat purple line across the bottom. It's just going to stay across the bottom because as n increases, we are not increasing the number of operations. It's the most efficient big O. Anytime that you can make anything O of 1, that is optimal as you can make it. Okay, so that is our overview of O of 1.